Today we're going to review how to navigate through Hillsborough County, Florida, their website. See these options? Here's some, there's job sites there. Under government. Under government we have the agencies and Board of County Commissioners, business regarding zoning and land development, residents, some services for residents. Now let's look at government. This is an important one. You may want to have a conversation or you can phone or email your county commissioner. Let's see, let's look at District 2, Mr. Ken Hagan. And, we have a phone number, fax, mailing address. Okay, if we want to shoot an email, we can hit them all, or we can just send one to Mr. Hagan. Of course, you're going to fill out this information down here and add your email information and submit that. And then when you're done doing that, you can exit out of that. I'm going to hit the back arrow so we go back to the county commissioners and back to our options. So let's look at jobs. Job listings. There's some jobs, and looks like most of these are going to be in Tampa. However, maybe you're not in Tampa. Maybe you're in one of the other cities in the county. Let's look at these other locations. There's a couple of small towns. Plant City, Seffner. Let's see if anything comes up with our choices here. We'll add that. And no choices in those two cities, so let's go back to Tampa's going to be the most popular. It's the county seat. So here's Tampa. Everything in Tampa. Now we can select by certain categories. There are more than that up here, right here. You can see more, or you can, if you're in trades, you can check trades. Maybe you're an HVAC technician. There's a job. It's a HVAC 2. Tech 2. Here's the overview of the position. And I see a apply online button up there, and there's probably going to be one down at the bottom. So those are all the qualifications. Some shift information, apply online. You can do that. And of course you're going to need to review the privacy agreement. And you're going to accept or decline. Okay, so once you accept, be over to where you'll need to put in a password so you can set up a new user and log in. And we're starting to get a little long on the video, so I'm going to back up. Of course, if you logged in, you'd show, add your resume or fill out their form. let's go back. And look at a couple of other options, or at least another option. Citizens. Click on we'll click on citizens, and there'll be some residential services that will show up. Official records, elections, transportation, veteran assistance, and maybe what you're looking for is well, hit the search bar. Maybe you missed your house didn't get the trash picked up, so we're going to report a missed pickup. Great. There's a lot of information about your recycling program. And there's your missed trash pickup. You click on that and you will go to a page and you will fill out a report. It'd be a short report and your name, address, and what got missed. Was it yard rubbish or was it regular trash? Maybe it was recycle. Anyway, that's our tour. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.